President Bongbong Marcos announces the suspension of fare hikes. The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board earlier approved fare increases for jeepneys, buses, airport taxis, and transport network vehicle services amid the Middle East conflict that sent global fuel prices soaring. In a video message released on Wednesday, March 18, Marcos says he believed it was not the right time to increase the fares for public utility vehicles. The president says he asked the Department of Transportation to defer the fare hikes.
Sa aking palagay, dahil nga may problema pa rin tayo dahil sa gera sa Middle East, ay sabi ko siguro hindi ito ang panahon para magtaas ng pamasahe para sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya inutos ko sa DOTR na suspendihin muna ang fare hike at i-defer muna natin yan, i-postpone muna natin yan dahil nasa gitna ngayon tayo nitong sitwasyon na ito na kailangan patuloy ang ating pag-alalay sa ating mga commuter, sa lahat ng mga ating manggagawa, mga estudyante, lahat ng gumagamit ng ating transport system.
He also announces other initiatives the government will implement to ease the burden of commuters, including free rides and discounted fares in the MRT and LRT lines.
Ang DOTR ay pinutusan ko na sisimula na ang libreng sakay sa buong Pilipinas. At pwede po ninyong gamitin na muna yan para pangbawas gastos sa pang-araw-araw. At sa MRT at LRT ay magdidiskwento po tayo doon sa pamasahe. Bukod pa doon, sa mga toll road ay meron din tayong inutos na diskwento para mas maliit na ngayon ang bayad ng taong bayan sa paggamit ng mga toll road.
The initially announced fare hikes were supposed to be effective Thursday, March 19. The LTFRB approved a 1 peso increase in the fare of traditional jeepneys and a 2 peso increase for modern jeepneys. However, transport group leaders called the minimal fare increase a slap to drivers and operators amid soaring fuel prices. Piston President Modi Floranda said the fare adjustment would only translate to minimal additional income for drivers.